In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook not loading on your phone so you can get the app working normally again. First, open your phone settings and go to Apps or App Management, then find and tap on Facebook. Inside the app settings, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can sometimes cause the app to stop loading properly. After clearing the cache, close the settings and try opening Facebook again. If the problem continues, the next step is to check for updates. Open your phone's App Store, search for Facebook, and see if an update is available. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version of the app. Updates often fix bugs and loading issues. Another thing you can try is restarting your phone to refresh the system and close background processes. You should also make sure your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After trying these steps, open the Facebook app again and check if it loads properly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.